Hi, I'm Jamie from Albert Group Pools and Patios, and today we're working on a project here in Goshen, New York. It's a beautiful day. You see the guys working behind us. For us here at Albert Group Pools and Patios, it's not just about construction. It's about helping families live happier, healthier lives in their own backyard, creating those memories with their friends and family. Don't take it from me. Check out these people talking about their experience with their pool.
Really wanted to just go with, a fiberglass pool, and
Awesome.
so I called you, yeah.
We found you guys and looked through your websites and then talked with you about the various options that were available.
So I was looking for a lot of guidance, a lot of creativity, and Jamie not only checked the box for that, but massively exceeded me and my family's expectations.
The dedication to getting the job done the right way, that was one of the reasons we went with Albert Group.
Working with Alberts too, who can walk us through the entire process from start to finish. I think it was nice to have people that we trusted walk us through it. And it turned out beautiful, and we couldn't be happier.
As a matter of fact, our neighbor's house went on the market, and one of the overview shots got a clip of our backyard. And so the potential buyers peeked over the fence and said, we love the backyard, we love the pool, and I want the same exact thing. And
so when you're doing their pool next door, try to keep the noise. No, just kidding.
I was amazed. We were never really sure how you were going to get this pool by the house back to this spot and in the ground, and you did it.
I just loved it. I tried to film that pool coming around on a crane around the house. I thought that was amazing, absolutely amazing.
And I think one of the things that impressed me was that the fact that you did fiberglass pools exclusively and that you were in business for such a long period of time.
Got a neighbor, it's a doctor up the street. He stopped in the middle of the road one night coming home and said, I'm amazed. I said, why? He says, your pool was dropped on your lawn one morning and by nighttime it was in the ground. I said, yeah, it was really that quick.
And also showed, incredible partnership on your half, because we had to not only have you work with my contractor, I also had to have you work with the town.
I needed to fill out additional forms as well because we have an HOA in our community. So he was just really there every step of the way in the process and was really responsive to all of my many emails and phone calls with lots of questions.
You basically said, I'll walk you through every step, so it was easy.
What did you feel about the crew and the guys?
Oh, the crew was really nice guys.
I can't tell you how happy I was with the guys working and how fast they got everything done.
Jamie's got a great crew of guys. They come in the morning, they work straight through till late at night to get it done.
They should be proud of the masonry work that they did on the hardscaping, because people have come afterwards that know a little bit about masonry. I don't know much, that have said this is a really good, really well done job.
From the heart, when the most important reason why we did this was for my family, my wife and my kids. And when you came here, I showed you my family, I showed you how important this was, that we needed to have by this summer. And you said, I got it, I understand, I'm a family man too. So being a family man that you are, Jamie, we trusted you, you followed through, you delivered, and you made our backyard amazing. And we have great memories that will last a lifetime. And we thank you.